Welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video we can find the value of this difficult problem, which is 4 plus 4 times 4 divided by 2. So how can we find it? If you are talented, then stop the video and before watching the video comment of this question. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then do not skip this video. I can solve these questions step by step. So our solution is guys, first of all I can write this form as parenthesis 4 plus 4 times 4 close parenthesis divided by 2. Now parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So first of all we can solve parentheses. But in parentheses one addition and one multiplication. We can solve firstly multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than addition. So 4 plus 4 times 4 equal to 16 parenthesis divided by 2. Okay guys, now here 16 plus 4 equal to 20 and 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face guys an issue, then comment, I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.